These two sauces are basic pizza sauces and they are from the same company, and despite being from the same brand, these two differ a lot when it comes to the caloric value. The right one is just 70 calories per 100 gram, whereas the left one is 250 calories. Currently being sold at only 80 rupees per tin, which is a bargain price. And if you're a vegetarian, highly recommend you add them. As you can see, the chas is way better option. You should know that peanut butter is not a primary source of protein, it's a primary source of fat. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we'll take you to a quick grocery haul and we'll also educate you at the same time how you can make the best choices when you're out there shopping. So let's begin. Apart from the common items that we all know we need to buy in order to lead a healthy lifestyle, I'll be focusing on sauces and condiments because variety and flavor is the key element to stick to a diet. So guys, the first thing that we're going to purchase is ginger garlic paste. You can even prepare this at home, but buying this packaged one is highly convenient. As you can see, it contains only 9 calories for around 1 tablespoon, which is hardly anything. And it will take the flavor game of your food to the next level, especially if you like Indian food, as well as it offers many health benefits such as anti-inflammatory properties and aids in digestion too. As you can see, there are a variety of dressings and sauces from the same brand, so one might get confused which one is best if one is trying to lose weight. Due to my experience, I already know that the lowest calorie dressing is mint dressing. As you can see, only 8 calories for 1 tablespoon. Compare that to Caesar dressing, which is a cheesy dressing. It contains 80 calories for 1 tablespoon. Clearly a difference of 10 times. Now let us compare that to another popular dressing, which is ranch, and you can see there are 50 calories in ranch as well. So bit better than Caesar, but obviously the best way to go would be the mint tip, especially if you're trying to lose weight. Let's look at this sweet onion sauce, which many people are a fan of due to Subway sandwiches. It states fat free, so many people think it's low calorie, but as you can see, it contains 200 calories per 100 gram. So it's not the best option. If you want something sweet, you can go for the vinaigrette salad dressing, which contains 100 calories less than the sweet onion sauce. And if you're like me who wants sweet and spicy together both, go for this Bhoot Jolokia sauce, which is extremely spicy and it is very low calorie. Both of these sauces are inspired by the Nando's original peri peri sauce. However, that is imported in India, so it's quite expensive. You can go with either of these as calories are almost similar. However, if you would ask me, I would say go with the right one. These two sauces are basic pizza sauces and they are from the same company, and despite being from the same brand, these two differ a lot when it comes to the caloric value. The right one is just 70 calories per 100 gram, whereas the left one is 250 calories. So these are Heinz baked beans. They're currently being sold at only 80 rupees per tin, which is a bargain price. And if you're a vegetarian, highly recommend you add them. Not only these are delicious, but good source of protein as well as great source of fiber. Plus they are versatile as they can be added to variety of recipes. Salsa in general is a low calorie condiment, but there are some brands in India which loaded up with sugar. So my advice to you would be to always read the nutrition label. The salsa that I'm showing you of both these brands is low calorie and they are both good to go. If you follow us on Instagram, you would know how big of a fan I am of mustard dressing. It is very low calorie, and these two varieties right here are the ones that I like the most among the ones that are produced in India. Just two mustard dressings won't do it for me, so I'll be going with this very popular brand for mustard in the West. It states 0 calories, that means it contains less than 5 calories per serve. So if you're trying to lose weight, our recommendation would be to go with double toned or skim milk. The most popular brands in India for skim milk are right here. Both of these contain similar calories, but the left one is a bit higher in protein. But the major difference is in the pricing. The left one is quite cheap as compared to the right one. If you're a Punjabi, you can definitely relate that at your homes they force you a lot to have lassi or chas with your meals. As you can see, the chas is way better option. So guys, what can I say about this section? Even if you're not trying to lose weight, but if you want to lead a healthy lifestyle, just stay away from these drinks. These are just packed with sugar, nothing else. If you want something fizzy, you can go with the diet sodas as I'm showing you here. This comes in 4 flavors and all of them are pretty good. So just save up on the liquid calories and don't feed extra sugar to your body. Greek yogurt trend has started in India just 3-4 years back. Don't buy these flavored ones as they are loaded with sugar, plus the protein content is also lower as compared to the unflavored one. Just buy the unflavored one and then you can add your favorite sweetener or your favorite fruits to it to make it delicious. Do not let the discounted pricing fool you, as we have already gone with the lower calorie version of the pizza sauce. Could not get the complete list of sauces that I wanted. Never mind, I will have to visit again. Peanut butter market in India has exploded in recent years, and the companies are trying to make the most of the fact that many people believe peanut butter is a good source of protein. Whether you buy a natural peanut butter or a one that is loaded with hydrogenated oils and sugar, you should know that peanut butter is not a primary source of protein, it's a primary source of fat and secondary source of protein. It's too difficult to come for grocery shopping and not purchase coffee. All the varieties I'm showing here are quite good, but the one that I'm holding right now is my personal favorite. So if you love Tabasco sauce, a 0-calorie condiment, you can also go for this capsico sauce produced in India, which is 1/3 of the price of the original sauce. Who doesn't love some hot chocolate before bed? But always go with this 100% unsweetened cocoa powder as opposed to this sugar loaded instant hot chocolate premix. Not only cocoa powder will be more richer and more delicious, but it's a very good source of fiber. Almost 33 grams of fiber per 100 grams, and it's a good source of protein too. You can always add your favorite sweetener or honey to your hot chocolate and make it delicious. Showing you a variety of spicy and Chinese sauces which are very low calorie, and as these are produced in India, they are very cheap. Check them out. Guys, comment down below if you need an entire list of sauces that I keep at my home, which allows me to stick to my diet and make it enjoyable at the same time. Personally, I do not consume Diet Coke or Diet Pepsi, but if you cannot give up on regular Coca-Cola, highly recommend that you switch over to Diet Coke or no added sugar Coke. Hard to believe there are some people who still believe ghee is not healthy. It's calorie dense, but you cannot deny that it's healthy. And I'll be going with this cow ghee, and it will be consumed by everyone at home and not just me. Last but not the least, eggs. I'll be purchasing this pack of 10 premium eggs as well as a cheap egg white tray. Whenever I want to consume whole eggs, I'll be consuming from this premium pack. Whereas for egg whites, I'll be using this cheap egg white tray. If you want more helpful videos like these in future, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you learn something valuable, do not forget to give it a like. Comment down below your feedback. Thank you so much for watching.